While I was visiting Austria, one thing I enjoyed the most was open-faced sandwiches. Today I am going to make some healthy sandwich using sprouted beans. These sprouted beans are a powerhouse of protein and also micronutrients. Very little oil for tempering kind of it, cumin seeds. What we are trying to do is we are making a chutney out of the sprouts so that you can enjoy it on an open faced sandwich. Add garlic, green chili. You can add any of your leftover or favorite vegetable. Add sprouted beans. Very little salt. You want the sprouts to be slightly cooked before you make it into a chutney. Sometimes I like to do it fast. And tossing gives a sense of being a chef. Just transfer all of this into a blender. Coarsely grind it. These are slices of sourdough bread. What I like to do is add a little bit of butter on top and let this toast become nice and crunchy. Meanwhile, let's make a salsa of tomato, coriander, cucumber, onion and little capsicum, lime juice and little bit of olive oil. Onion, capsicum, tomato, coriander, cucumber, pinch of salt, little bit of olive oil and squeeze in some lime juice. Cucumber and coriander flavored salsa will go on top of my sandwich. Slowly turn it to the other side. You want this toast to be nice and crunchy. Get the nice and crispy slice onto a plate. Take good amount of sprouts chutney and spread it. And top it up with salsa. Take the slices of just half boiled eggs. Look at the yolk, ready to melt in my mouth. I grow so many variety of herbs and microgreens, and these are my microgreens for protein rich sandwich. This is absolute powerhouse of protein rich minerals and lot of vitamins with lot of greens and colorful vegetables and of course topped with some egg. There are certain things you will fall in love. You can make so many variations. You can use eggplant chutney. You can use so many other chutneys to make this. Make the chutney a little bit milder than usual. Put it on a small toast and you will say absolutely boomba boomba.